Hello students, I am Dr. Kalyani Kakal, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy at Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigri, Pune. This presentation on development of densitometric high-performance thin layer chromatographic method for the quantitative analysis of ursolic acid in the leaves of some species of genus Tecoma and Thabebuia of Bignoniaceae family. So the objective of the present work was to develop a simple, sensitive, accurate, precise and specific HPLC method for estimation of ursolic acid in 4 species of Bignoniaceae family and to validate the developed method as per ICH and USP guidelines. The research problems are: here the 4 species of Bignoniaceae family are collected for study purpose. The first is Tecoma gorichandi, Tecoma capensis, Tecoma stans belongs to the genus Tecoma, and Thabebuia rosea belongs to the genus Thabebuia. These are collected from a Pune region and authenticated by Botanical Survey of India, Pune. Literature survey reveals that all the species of Bignoniaceae family are exclusively exotic. So all the species are not indigenous, hence traditional knowledge about the species are not accessible. Whereas bioactive compounds reported from this family are clinically important. So the main problem is triterpenoids show poor absorbance due to the lack of chromophore. This is the major limitation in analysis of this class of compound by using UV visible spectroscopy. So here the focus is on identification and quantification of specific triterpenoids of all these 4 species. Here is a drug profile of ursolic acid. Basically ursolic acid, it is a pentacyclic triterpenoid. Solution methodologies include the various assay method parameters and various chromatographic conditions are applied during the high performance thin layer chromatographic techniques. So mostly it includes the optimization of mobile phase as well as chamber saturation time, etc. So the chromatographic conditions include selection of stationary phase, composition of mobile phase, mode of application, sample volume, chamber saturation time, and the wavelength detection of a compounds at a specific wavelength. These are the requirement of instruments. Here the specifications are mentioned. HPTLC with TLC CAMAT 3, TLC scanner 3 is used for analysis. This instrument used for a analysis purpose. All these are the details of HPTLC. Ursolic acid standard was purchased from Sigma and 4 species belongs to the Bignoniaceae family are collected from Pune region. The first is Tecoma gorichandi, Tecoma capensis, Tecoma stans, Thabebuia rosea. So the ethyl acetate extract of above plant species were used for analysis purpose. Chemicals and various reagents are also used. All these are the procedure parameter. It includes the composition of mobile phase. So PET ethyl acetate formic acid in proportion of 7:3:0.5 volume by volume is more suitable for identification purpose. Standard and sample stock solution are prepared in a methanol. All these are the information regarding the linearity, precision, recovery study, specificity, limit of detection and limit of quantitation, and the robustness. Robustness. All these are performed as per the guideline. Here is a calibration curve of ursolic acid. The second image is chromatogram of standard ursolic acid. This is a picture of developed TLC plate derivatized with the para-anisaldehyde reagent at 540 nanometer. This image is the 3D display of all tracks at 540 nanometer. It shows the all track of 4 species, the first sample, second sample, third sample, and the fourth sample, along with the standard ursolic acid. Here is a chromatogram of standard ursolic acid. Compare with all the 4 samples, sample 1, 2, 3, and the 4. From this chromatogram, here is we observe that the ursolic acid is present in all these species. By comparing the RF value, so the results regarding the method validation parameter for the quantitation of ursolic acid are noted in a table 1. The results regarding the interday and intraday precisions are noted in a table 2. Results regarding the recovery and accuracy study are mentioned in a table 3. So these are the table 4. These are the results of the robustness study. Various factors are here considered. First is the mobile phase composition, saturation time, and activation of TLC plate. So the conclusion was, suppose by observing all the chromatogram of 4 species, the first one, Tecoma gaudichondi, shows the presence of ursolic acid such as 1.48% weight by weight. Tecoma stands 1.11%. Tecoma capensis 0.79%. Thabebia 1.13%. So all these 4 species shows presence of ursolic acid. The HPLC method was also developed and validated for the determination of ursolic acid in Tecoma gaudichondi, Tecoma capensis, Tecoma stans, Thabebia rosea, leaf extract, which shows 1.48% weight by weight, 0.79% weight by weight, 1.11% weight by weight, and 1.13% weight by weight respectively. The proposed method was found to be simple, accurate, specific, and robust for the analysis of ursolic acid in crude drug samples. So this study shed on chromatographic analysis of 4 species of Bignoniaceae family. Based on this result, leaves of Tecoma gaudichondi DC sample 1 contain higher ursolic acid as compared to the other species. So concentrated fractions or extract of leaves of Tecoma gaudichondi DC is a rich source of ursolic acid and may be more useful for a biological or for isolation purpose. This work was published in International Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences in 2017. So, I'm thankful to respected Dr. P.D. Chowdhury, sir, Principal of Modern College of Pharmacy, for permission to use the laboratory facility for this research work. I'm also special thanks to the Dr. P.G. Divakar, Joint Director, Botanical Survey of India, Pune, for providing authentication letter of all these 4 plant species and also help in locating the plant in Pune region. I'm also thankful to the Ancrom Enterprises Private Limited, Mulund, Mumbai, and Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, Pimpri, Pune, for providing instrumental facility. These are the references. Thank you.